Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Omnia. This is 𝑂𝑚neyasWish, and today I have a special birthday video. It is from my friend Kayla from Totally Kayla. She just reached 200 subscribers, and also the most special thing is I collabed with her best friend Stacey from Wine and Dip Powder Nails. So I'm just gonna do a set on tips. I didn't want to screw it up with dip powder. Her favorite color is blue, and that is blueberry from Model 1s. And I had the idea of I wanted it to be, you know, like cozy flannels and with a little bit of designer, but I could not get the flannel prints to work. I practiced and practiced. Some of them wouldn't pick up. It was just a shit show. So I did try a few things with this set. Try to get a little something with it. I was gonna go with that gold, and then I decided not to. And in retrospect, I probably should have gone with a gold nail after, you know, thinking about it. So I kind of have like two accent nails there. That light blue is a Beatles. I forget the number, but it was from a Christmas collection that's like a bunch of shades of blue. Maybe it's like a Hanukkah collection or something. The number should show on the lid somewhere. I don't know. 400 and something, I think it was. But it's a pretty light blue. And I'm gonna try to do an ombre with these two. And for a while I was tickling it, and I realized that because you're supposed to do it very lightly, I was so light that I wasn't even touching it sometimes. I sped it up so it looks like I'm going like super fast, but I really wasn't. You can see like I'm blending, wasn't even touching anything. So, yeah, I tried something after this with these stencil things that you would put on a nail and then you would sponge color over it, and that failed, so I cut that out. I was able to cut that out. I stopped the video and then restarted the video. That way I can cut out like the end part with the program that I'm using. So you'll see. I end up putting glitter and stuff like that on this. It kind of has like a fall. I was going for like a fall night kind of thing. I don't know. But yeah. So Kayla and I have a few things in common. Not only do we both live in the same state, she lives in the town that half of my family was born in. We both swear that we've seen each other before. Like, she looks so familiar to me, and I look familiar to her, so we've probably bumped into each other at some point, somewhere in our lives. She's definitely younger than me. She's probably old enough to be my daughter. But at some point I think I've seen her somewhere. And I met her. She was just like a subscriber that popped up, I think, when I started ordering the dip powders from iGel Beauty, because she does dip manis, and so does Stacey. And I'll leave Kayla's link down below. And I will leave Stacey's as well, the link to Stacey's, either Stacey's video or her channel, so you can see it. But yeah, and also today, not only is it Kayla's birthday, but it's my mom's birthday. She passed in 2014, February, I believe, 2014, January, February. Oh my God, I can't even remember the month my mother passed. Anyways, it's not about my mom. It's about Kayla's birthday. So Kayla loves farm animals, but I didn't feel like, if I had a stamp that said, here, hold my beer, and it had like a mug of beer, I would just like take the, here, hold my beer, and not use the beer, and because I do have an image of like a rooster or something, I would have put that on the nail because that would have been funny, because she has like a whole bunch of, she's like a zoo over there with all the different animals that she has. So that would have been cute, but I looked at every single plate I had, nothing said, here, hold my anything. So that stencil seemed to work a bit, but I had to clean up those edges like a lot. Get in between them and clean them. And here I'm just gonna add some glitter. I have these pretty maple leaves that just whiz by you. They're blue. They shipped like from blue to teal and stuff, so I thought that and the Total Eclipse. But the Total Eclipse was kind of dark. I should have went with the other one that I had that was lighter. It was still a dark blue. This one came off a little bit more black, but it kind of gave it a night sky look, so it wasn't that bad. Kayla knows I go with it, and that's it. You know, only if it's absolutely horribly trash will I throw it away. You know, like delete the video and actually throw the nails away. But in the end, I was okay with it. I was pleased with it. It wasn't what I envisioned, but nothing ever is. From head to fingers, it gets lost in translation somewhere. And these little stickers are fiddly little things. Trying to get them off. I had to pause the video so many times just to get them off the sheet. Those designer things. So I went with Louis Vuitton, and all I had was gold, and I wanted to use silver, but of course all I had was gold. So that's what I'm putting on now, is all the little stickers, and of course I'm out of shot. I was on a big huge struggle bus with this one. This one was, oh my god, it was a struggle train. A struggle Amtrak, that's what it was. So definitely go give these two wonderful ladies a check out. Definitely go say happy birthday to Kayla. She's super sweet, she's super funny. She just like pours love and light into the world. So yeah, like please don't like bum rush her and try to do that sub for sub crap thing that everybody likes to do. Because I really don't think Kayla's about that. She watches who she likes, like I do, and that's it. You know, but it's up to her. It's up to her. But, you know, just don't expect anything back in return. Don't get butthurt. But please go check her out and give her a peek. And I'm still fiddling with these stickers. Fiddling. So I don't even know what Stacey has done. I'm sure Stacey will probably do it on her hand. She's great at, you know, dip manis. And the thing unique to her channel is she reviews a wine with every mani. Like some fancy special wine or something. I don't drink wine, so I don't know. Like that part kind of flies over my head because I don't drink wine. But yeah, so if you like wine, definitely go check her out for that. And then I went to add the bling thinking it was the end, and I didn't even realize that I grabbed the lid that had the rubber band around it, which means it's base coat. So I wasn't even locking it into the top coat. So I had to go back and put top coat over it. But it is what it is, and they came out nice. There was a little moon that I wanted to put up in that glitter nail that I had to bend a little. That's what that little thing is for. I had to open it. I'd never used it before. I think I got it, I don't know, last winter. So that's what I'm doing, and that's about it. It's gonna end pretty soon. There's gonna be a few pictures at the end, and yeah, because I'm adding the bling, I sped it up. It's going pretty quick today, and you guys know how I feel about voiceovers. I'm not very good at it, and I'm just trying to give it like a night sky thing. So I'm gonna leave you here before the video cuts off and I don't realize it, and go check out Kayla and Stacey. Their links will be down below. Happy birthday, Stacey. I knew I'd screw it up at some point. Happy birthday, Kayla. I love you very much, and I hope you have a wonderful day. And remember to like, subscribe, do all that YouTubey crap, and have a good one, guys. Bye.